don't get sucked in with the FOMO. Don't get sucked in with the peer pressure thinking that you've got to do a Black Friday deal. Make sure you plan it properly. Don't offer something that literally a guest could have got a week ago for exactly the same price. Try and create something that's new, or create a service that's new, or use this as a chance to launch a new product. And if you as well, try and partner up and build up some local relationships. Supporting local business, which is really, there's a real big movement going towards this, supporting local businesses. You're building up good local relationships with other businesses, but also as well, it's something that you couldn't offer a week before. So again, partner up and do a partnership bundle, which is again something that I see a lot of people doing online, and they've done it really, really well. So we can use Black Friday and the sale of that for the launch of a product or a service or accommodation. So that's a good time to do it. And you know, I've signed up for Brittany's email swipe file launch because I'm really excited about it because of how she's done it. And again, this is the message that I want to spread, is that the people that do this well, and Noah Kagan of AppSumo, guest on the Boostly podcast, he has talked about this in the past, and he's just done a video on YouTube this week, which has said that his company, AppSumo, has been planning for Black Friday, because this is one of their big weeks, for 6 months.